Hi guys, today we're diving into one of the most powerful features of the Wix Harmony Editor, generating custom elements. If the standard buttons and boxes aren't cutting it, Harmony allows you to use AI to build specific components that fit your exact needs. Then let's get onto it. To get started, click on the Add button on the upper left. Then, click on Generate Element. This opens up a window where you can describe exactly what you need. Apart from that, you can also get some ideas from below. You can create a slider reveal, a modern stopwatch, story cards, modern gallery, and even a crypto tracker, and so much more actually. It really just depends on what you want to create. Once you're done inputting your prompt, click on Generate Element over here and wait for Wix's AI to finish working on your element or template. And once you generate a unique element you love, you can save it to your global assets. Just click on Save over here. Means you can reuse your custom built AI elements across any page or even other projects, maintaining a consistent and unique design language for your entire brand. Want to add it to your website or want to know where it's located? Simply go to the Add button on the left, go to AI generated, and you should find it here. Simply drag and drop it to your page in case you want to add it. And there you go. You just simply have to place it and position it properly, just like that, for example. And there you go. Creating functional elements has never been easier and more efficient, thanks to the Wix Harmony Editor. Try it out for yourself and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.